Hey guys, Tim here from Concise Tech. So today we're taking a look at this package that Google sent out. They sent out the Pixel 5, their brand new phone. This phone supports 5G. They also sent out some other goodies. They sent out, as you can see here, the Pixel Buds, which I'm very excited to test out. Those look pretty neat. They sent out the sage colored Pixel 5 here, which is definitely one that I thought looked pretty neat. So I'm really excited to get that one. And they sent out one of these Pixel 5 fabric cases, which I think are awesome. I've been dying to get my hands on one of these for a while. I always thought that these looked really awesome, so I'm excited to test this out as well. All right, so that is it for the box. Let's get into it. All right guys, so we're gonna start with this Pixel 5 here. So they have these convenient little pull tabs on the back. Let's get into this. From the start there, you can see the device. So here's the sage green color. I really like that color. I think it's definitely a little bit extra compared to the black. I like the accents, and you know, Google's always had kind of those subtle colors, and you know, with the purplish and things like that, having the orange accents, things. So I really like this. I like that color, and I think it looks pretty cool. Another thing, that Google logo on here is actually a shiny logo here. You can see kind of how that shines in the light. So that's pretty cool. All right, we'll get this film off there. Pretty sleek. It's a pretty thin phone, and again, just kind of like that Pixel 4a, feels very slim, nice and lightweight. You can see the back camera module there. Got your fingerprint sensor on the back right there where it usually is. So with those downward facing speakers there, Type-C charging. On the side you got the volume rockers, and you can see that power button's actually got a little bit of bling to it too. So that's pretty cool. That's like a metallic sage green color as well. And then on the left side you got your SIM card tray right there, as you can see, that you'll be able to pop out with your ejector tool. All right guys, so you can see real quick, compared to my Pixel 4a, you know, a little bit difference. That camera module, you got an extra camera now on the Pixel 5. You can see otherwise looks pretty similar. You got the camera module with the same type of look, the fingerprint sensors there. Got that Google logo down there. Like I said, this one on the left is definitely a bit shiny. Downward facing speakers on both there. And the side is basically the same there as well. I've got this in a case here, but you can see volume rocker, power buttons are in the same spot. So guys, one of the things I definitely can't wait to try out is this. So you can see you can power without a plug. So the Pixel 5 charges wirelessly, and you can share battery life with devices like those Pixel Buds. And like I mentioned, Google sent those out too, so I'll definitely be trying that out. So guys, this has a dual pixel and ultra wide camera on the back here. It's also water resistant, and it's got some cool features like it'll call 911 for you if you get in a car accident, and it detects that, things like that. So this phone seems pretty cool. It should have a great camera like the Google cameras usually do. And I'm really excited to test this out. And I'm definitely excited to get this case on, as I think that's gonna look pretty cool in the Google fabric cases, as those always look pretty awesome. So guys, if you want to see more, definitely subscribe. I'm gonna be having way more Pixel 5 content coming out here. If you wanna see review and comparison on like the Pixel 4a, stuff like that, and I also have an unboxing video of this phone out, so check it out. But there will definitely be more to come here, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching with me here today. Take care till the next one.